Welcome to Review Mondays from the van. I've got a whole heap of work to do, but I've also been sent a sound system for this van. The lovely guys at TRIBIT sent me over one of their StormBoxes, so I'm actually quite excited about it. But whilst I'm chatting to you, I do need to do a little bit of van work. As you can see, I've been getting the floor all sorted in here. Well, it's gone quite well, to be honest. And now one thing that I am doing is I'm starting to think about decorating inside, how I want everything. And one thing I can do now is I can actually have music playing whilst working on the van, because I don't always want to have the engine running to turn the stereo on. Part of getting a van for me was being a little bit off grid, you know. And the StormBox allows me to have a full-on party, but off grid. So I can be in here, putting down some flooring, all that kind of stuff, but also listen to some music whilst doing it. I feel like the floor is actually taking quite good shape. Let me show you. I'll just slice my finger open though. Oh, fuck's sake. So, look in there. This is what we did at the weekend. I did a whole heap of stuff. We're going to ignore that bit down the bottom because I still need to fix it up. But it does mean that I can actually start sliding this in and having a little look at what it will look like if it's actually in. So I can now have a little rave in the back of the van whilst listening to music. Like, you can plug it in the mains, as you see. So you open this up and we have like our mains port, which is your normal AC plug. We also have an auxiliary, and then we have a USB-C port, so it does work as a power bank. I mean, the thing has 30 hours of battery life, so when I want to go off grid and do my adventuring, but also want to like have a little bit of chill out, listen to some music, charge some devices, I don't actually need to take anything other than this speaker. So what is actually the plan in this van, what the plan in the van is, so something I would very much like in this van is to be able to like work from it, chill in it, like have a projector. I think would be also another thing. I know, not really off the grid living, like the audio quality on it is crystal clear. There's a button up here that will pause and unpause your YouTube video. Although I do have some speakers in the front of the van, they're two tiny little speakers and they're not very good. And what I don't want to do is I don't want to be wiring up a whole system, you know. Even with electrics, I don't think I want like a leisure battery, like an inverter. I don't think I need all that stuff. Essentially one of the small power bank generators, like the ones from Bluetti, for example, they're really good. They have like a whole heap of charge in them. You can charge them up from the engine. There's various versions of them. And what I don't want is I don't want like wires and everything through the back of the van. I don't want to have to be like feeding things through. I can take this out and listen to it outside. I can listen to it inside. I can like play my video and have this for the sound. It sounds really nice. Right, let's go enjoy some of this sunshine. I mean, I cannot stress how loud this thing goes. I don't know how many watts it is. I think it's like 100 and something watts. I mean, basically, it kicks out some serious tunes, and you can play it outside in the rain. And before anyone tells me off for being antisocial, I'm not actually playing it outside. I'm just in the back of a van. And now if I want to sit down and do some work on the laptop, do some editing, I have music, I have sound, I have everything that I need. And whilst I have nowhere to sit at the moment, I do have a unit that I don't actually particularly want, I don't think. I'm not sure, still unsure about this unit, but I have a speaker that I do very much want that like blows all of my other speakers out the water. I mean, so far I've actually used this for quite a lot. I've been out here sanding, doing bits and bobs in the van, and it's very nice to just have this. I don't have to go crazy high on the volume. I don't want to annoy my neighbours, but it means I can listen to music whilst working on the van. This guy's not really letting me work, but what we can do is, come on, sit down. I can sit in the van with the dog. We can chill, we can listen to some music. All this happiness is thanks to TRIBIT. It's all taking shape, it's looking quite nice. There's still a whole heap of work that needs doing. I think what I will do is I will screw this in. Is there anything else you need out of life? A van, a very good speaker, a fluffy giant dog, a laptop to do some work, a kitchen unit that I don't even know if I want. So if you're interested in an upgraded speaker system, or if you're looking at Bluetooth speakers, and if you want something that's going to blow everything else out of the water, definitely pop over to the TRIBIT site and look at the StormBox Blast. This thing is an absolute weapon. So the next thing on the list is soundproofing the ceiling. I have a load of this sound deadening stuff, so I will be soundproofing all of the ceiling. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Massive thanks again to TRIBIT for sponsoring this video. Do remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Bye.